I wanted to talk a little bit more about what we do, what we can offer. I had this morning an email from a client who asked me if I could match a price from a website, a fast packaging company doing standard boxes, kind of. Usually it's a website where you can order online. You don't have the choice about the dimension. You have 2, 3, 4 dimensions. You can put your logo on it, and then you can order a low minimum, and then they can just ship the box to you directly. This type of company is wonderful. We need them on the market. We can also do like standard boxes where we can just put the logo on it with very small quantity. But what we do at Pack2Pack Design, what we really do, it's 80% of our market is really fully custom packaging. And I want to explain a little bit more, a little bit deeper what we are doing exactly so you can understand the difference. And again, I'm not saying that the other company, what you can buy online, is bad or worse, or if we are better or if they are better. Is that it's just totally two different markets, two different strategy. One, it's super fast, super convenient. You can just select a size, put the logo, upload, you see an artwork, and then in a couple of days they ship you the box. Maybe this is what you need, maybe this is what you're ready to pay for, and that's totally fine. For us, the process is a little bit longer. It's really a process because we are going to work with you on the packaging. We are going to work with you around the product, around your product, to create the best possible packaging for your product. So that means we have an entire team behind that project. We have me, we have a product manager, we have designers, we have factories, different factories depending on the type of packaging you want. We have people specialized in the shipping process, the US custom, and then we have also some partner for the delivery to your place. So again, it's a big process. We always start with a meeting. The meeting is extremely important. When I received that link with that box, it was difficult for me to understand what was the structure of the box. It was a chocolate box, so I didn't know what type of structure, if it was a bottom plus lid, if it was a magnet box. It was challenging for me to understand if the clients were able to show the color of the box, if it was just a logo on it, if there were a tray, an insert, if there were like any protection for the chocolate and everything. So I couldn't tell the clients, hey, I can be cheaper, because in fact, I didn't exactly know what type of box it was. When I work with my clients and when we do that first meeting, I always try to show them different options for the structure. Either it's a magnet box, a bottom plus lid, we can add some sleeve. We also have some little cushion to protect the chocolate. We have like a little butter paper. We have an insert. The insert is made for their chocolate, depending on the size, how many chocolate they want inside the box. So we work on that very, very specifically. For example, for that other project that we did, we also, work with the clients about the best structure. We even provide the little sticker, so they can put the little sticker here. And then we have a specific shape depending on the chocolate. We have printed inside the box the name of the chocolate. So it takes time. For example, we work here and we are doing some little prototype to make sure that the structure is correct, that it's easy to build, that the design has a very good proportion. We work on that. Our designer work on all those different options to see how will be the rendering and everything. We usually also do 3D mock-ups so the clients can see how the box is going to be. For us, the goal, we have plenty of goals. First of all is that the box needs to fit the product and not the other way. So we build the box around the product. We also work on how our clients' team, people working, putting the product in the box, are going to work. Is that going to be practical for them? Is that going to be easy? Is that going to be fast? I mean, you don't want to spend too much time building the box, putting the product in it, closing the box and everything. And we also think about how it's going to be manufactured, what type of risk are we going to take with the factory. You know, for example, in that specific example, we try not to put no design here. So when the factory is going to join the box, the round box, there's no risk that the design is not aligned. We are trying to work with the factory and trying to find the best box so we don't have any quality issues. So everything is as safe as possible. So, for example, we have some technical requirements, making sure that the chocolate are going to arrive to the clients not damaged. Okay, so that's why we have that little cushion, because then the chocolate are not damaged during the shipping process. We are also going to think about what will be the experience for the clients when they are going to discover the packaging. So for example, for that project, we have different options for the design because we work on some experience for the clients. For example, this one will be the fish sandwich. So we did the design according to like a fish, but we have like, I don't know if you can say it, but like a little bite here, it's funny. And then here we have the little shark. It's an experience. Here we have a packaging for pork, okay? We make sure, for example, technically that the design follow the structure of the box. So working on the box is just not just like clicking on the website, selecting a box, put a logo on it, and then shipping it to the final clients. We are working a lot before mass production. This is what we do. That's why our clients like to work with us, because we are not just manufacturing a box. There's a lot of different strategy behind the box, a lot of different design options. We think about a lot of things that it's difficult for me to explain. I can talk about that for hours, but we are thinking about a lot of things. If you want to work with us, again, it's a process, it's a partnership, it's a win-win relationship, because we want you to be happy with your packaging, because we want the packaging to fit your product and to elevate the experience for your clients. That's really what we do. When everything is approved, and again, it's a process, we are working hand in hand with you, then we manufacture the box. And during the process, that manufacturing process, we have a lot of different steps with different quality check. I've been working with factories overseas for a very, very long time now. So I know how to check the quality, because we are also very used to work with factories overseas. We have people here that know how to handle the shipping process, finding the best route and the most cost-effective route for the shipping process. And also the US custom, with the tariff, for example, that was a subject that my clients was extremely worried, but we were able and lucky enough to maintain the same price for our clients, because we know how it works. We were able to negotiate with the factory, for example, for them to take part of the tariff, the extra cost for the tariff. So there were no consequences for our clients. And then we have our people here in the US, they are able to deal with the US custom process and then deliver the boxes to you wherever you are in the US. So you are not ordering to an importer. I don't really like when people tell me, hey, you're just an importer. No, we are not. We are creators. We are creating the packaging for you. And usually what I say to my team is that when the prototype is done, if we are happy with the prototype, if the client is happy with it, after that, it's like easy, because the most difficult part, the most strategic part, challenging part is creating the packaging. It's all that strategy with the structure, the design, the prototype and everything. After that, it's just making sure that the factory overseas are going to manufacture and make what we ask them to do. And for that, we have different steps to make sure that they are doing what we ask them to do. So ordering online is amazing. Again, we are also offering standard boxes where you can just put your logo on it. We can do it. We have a warehouse with full of boxes. This is our gift boxes. If you need any info, don't hesitate to reach out to us. But we can do that. We can do a standard box, your logo on it. We have a few sizes. It's fast. The minimum is 25 boxes. But what we do most of the time is an entire project. It's really working hand in hand with our clients to create the perfect packaging for them. So don't hesitate if you have any project. If you have a box and you are not 100% sure if it's the best option for you, if you want to see other options, if you want to work with us, don't hesitate, reach out. I really love to work on your project. I'm really passionate about it. So don't hesitate to get back to me. And then maybe you also just need a price, and that's also fine. Maybe we will be able to offer you a better price or give you some guarantee about the quality of the box. Again, I've been doing that for a very long time and I love what I'm doing. So don't hesitate. Reach out to us, and also you can follow us on our social media. Thank you.